Hello and welcome. Let me show you how you can make an Instagram reel in 3 minutes with AI for free. So we are going to be using this free AI video creation tool called InVideo AI. It's like the Chat GPT of AI video makers. I will show you how it works. In the workflow section, select Instagram Reel. Then insert the prompt. In this example, I am going with something like this. Then, in the voiceover section, choose Male Voice with the Californian accent. From my experience, this has been the best and most natural-sounding voice they have. That's it. Click on Generate Video. Then, choose your audience. Choose the look and feel of your video. And then click on Continue. There you go. You'll get your generated video in the editor. Now you can edit the script of the video. You can also edit the stock footages of your video. The best part is, you can use their Chat GPT-like interface to insert a prompt to edit your video. Once you're done and satisfied with the video, click on Export. Here is how the video can look like.
Catch your breath, folks. We're diving into America's top 3 destinations you simply can't miss. First stop, the Big Apple, New York City. Bursting with energy, it's a city that runs on hustle and dreams. Stroll down Broadway, gaze at the glittering skyline, and find yourself swept up in a whirlwind of lights and life. Next, we're heading west to sunny California, San Francisco to be exact. With its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, rolling hills, and vibrant culture, it's a city that leaves an indelible mark on every visitor. Finally, we journey to the Grand Canyon in Arizona, a natural wonder that stood the test of time. It'll take your breath away with its raw, majestic beauty. 3 destinations, each unique, each unforgettable. So pack your bags and let these places weave their magic. America awaits.
If you liked it, please like and subscribe. It will make your suggestions better by recommending you similar videos.